If you want to buy Ripple, one of the most traded cryptocurrencies, but still priced low with lots of upside potential, you'll first need to own some Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once you own Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can transfer either of those digital currencies to another exchange and then exchange it for Ripple. If you don't have Bitcoin or Ethereum yet, you'll first want to check out one of our other videos, either how to buy Bitcoin or how to buy Ethereum. We recommend buying Ethereum to exchange for Ripple or any of the other lesser priced digital currencies because Ethereum transactions are much quicker and generally have lower transaction fees than Bitcoin. However, you can choose either one to exchange for Ripple. If you already own Bitcoin or Ethereum, we're going to show you how to exchange them for Ripple or any of the other cryptocurrencies in this step-by-step easy tutorial. So let's get started. First off, in this video I'll show you how to exchange Ethereum for Ripple, but the same process applies if you're exchanging Bitcoin or if you're exchanging a digital currency for any of the lesser priced digital currencies. To exchange Ethereum for Ripple, you'll need to open up an exchange account at the top cryptocurrency exchange in the world. Just click the link posted below this video to go to this exchange. Once you're on the Binance site, click the register link in the upper right area of the page. Enter your email and password, click the box I agree to Binance's terms of use, and click to register. To prove you're human, you'll need to drag the puzzle piece until it fits into the puzzle slot. You'll now see the email verification page. To complete the email verification, log into your email account and click on the confirmation link in the email. Log in to your Binance account, enter your email and your password and click log in, and then fit the puzzle piece into the slot. You'll see a screen appear that asks you to enable two-factor authentication. You definitely want to do this, but for now we'll skip this step. Just be sure to come back to this later and enable two-factor authentication as soon as possible. You should now be logged in to your Binance account. Now that you have an account on Binance, you can transfer your Ethereum from Coinbase to Binance, where you can then exchange it for Ripple or other cryptocurrencies. In your Coinbase account, click on the Accounts tab at the top of the page. You'll be able to see how much Ethereum you have in your ETH wallet. Click on your ETH wallet. Click the Send button. You'll be asked to provide an ETH address. This is where you are sending your Ethereum funds. You'll find this ETH address in your Binance account. In Binance, click on Balances from the Funds drop-down menu. Find ETH, which stands for Ethereum, in the left column. Click the Deposit tab in the ETH row. This will open up a small area where you will see your ETH deposit address. Click the small button to the right of this ETH deposit address to copy it. Once this code is copied, go back into your Coinbase account and paste that code into the recipient box. Be sure to double check that the address you pasted into the Coinbase recipient box is exactly the same as the ETH deposit address in your Binance account. If it's different, you'll lose your funds. So make sure you paste the correct code into the recipient box. Click in the amount box and a Send Max button will appear. You can either click the Send Max button to transfer all of your Ethereum to Binance, or you can enter a specific amount. We're going to transfer all of it, so we'll click the Send Max button. Click Continue. You'll then see a box that shows you where your Ethereum funds are going, where they're being transferred from, and the amount you're transferring. You'll receive a text message on your mobile phone with a 7-digit code. Enter this code into the box and then click Confirm. If the transfer was successful, the transaction will show up in the Transactions column. It may take a few minutes to appear, so keep refreshing the page every minute or so until you see the transaction. Normally, you'll see it as a pending transaction. If you keep refreshing the page every minute or two, eventually you should see that the transaction was completed. It normally takes about 10 or 15 minutes to complete the transaction, but it can take longer, so don't get too stressed. Once the transaction is completed, go back into your Binance account and click History in the Funds drop-down menu to see that your transfer was completed successfully. You can also click on Balances from the Funds drop-down menu, where you can see the amount of Ethereum that was transferred into your Binance account, including in US dollars how much it's worth currently. If you click Hide Small Assets, you'll be able to see only the digital currencies that you own. The final step is to exchange your Ethereum for Ripple, or whatever cryptocurrency you want to exchange it for. In the upper left corner, click Advanced from the Exchange drop-down menu. Click BNB/BTC. Click the ETH tab from the drop-down menu. Click on XRP ETH. XRP is Ripple and ETH is Ethereum. So click on the XRP ETH link. In the lower right corner, you'll see two sections, one to buy XRP and one to sell XRP. We want to buy Ripple, which is XRP, using our Ethereum funds, which is ETH. So under Buy XRP, click the 100% tab. This will exchange all of your Ethereum funds for Ripple and will show you the total amount of XRP or Ripple that you will be buying. Without getting too technical, there are three tabs named Limit, Market, and Stop Limit. A limit order is an order to buy or sell at a specific price or better. A stop limit order becomes a limit order once a specific stop price has been reached. You can place a limit order, but it may or may not get filled. A market order will get filled immediately at the current market price, so you may want to click the Market tab and buy with the Market tab selected. Click the Buy button. Assuming you had enough ETH or Ethereum funds to make the exchange, you'll see a success sign briefly appear. The success sign disappears quickly, so it's easy to miss. If you did not have enough funds to make the trade, you will see an order failed sign briefly appear. In this case, you'll have to make the exchange again, this time using more funds. To verify that your order is filled, you can click Account in the upper right corner of the screen, then click Balances from the Funds drop-down menu. There, you'll see the cryptocurrencies you own on the list. If your Ethereum to Ripple exchange went correctly, you will see the amount of Ripple you now own on this list. You can also see how much your total account is worth in Bitcoins and USD, United States dollars. You can also check your orders by clicking on Order History in the Orders drop-down menu. If your order appears here as filled, then the order was completed. We hope this tutorial was useful for you and that you'll have great success in your cryptocurrency trading endeavors. Please be sure to check out our other cryptocurrency articles and videos. The more you know about cryptocurrency investing, the better chance of reaping success in the market.